Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add about yourself on JOI. So let's get started. Begin by launching your JOI application. Make sure you are logging to your JOI account. Now tap on the pencil icon. Tap on About Me option. Now enter about yourself. Once you're done, tap on the Done button at the bottom of your screen. And this is how you can add about yourself on JOI. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.